Hey guys, so Thursday I styled my hair. Sunday today, uh, it's just like it rained, it rained on my hair, so it just made it more like the curls, how tight it was, just kind of made it loosey and more frizzier than it should have been. Therefore, I'm gonna do a sleek ponytail, and I'm gonna show you guys the process of doing a sleek ponytail, so keep on watching. First thing you need is water spritzer. So you gotta soak that baby up. Just like the head part, you kind of want like this, the ends to be dry. So okay, so you want the ends to be dry, so it could be like puffy. This is like slick in the back of your hair. The ends of your hair is like puffy. So just soak the head part of your head. I don't like to soak this part too much because I just don't like the shape of my like skull. So I want this one to be like, to have more volume. So this one would be more slick and a little bit of volume there. Some people just have that naturally just because that's how they have like a bump on the back of their head. I don't feel like it's flat, so I just don't soak that much on the back. But you can go on ahead and do that. So I section it. Let me get closer. Usually I do a ragtail comb, but this is this type of comb. I honestly don't know the name of this type of Barber comb. Okay. So this type of comb, a ragtail comb. Middle part. So you just go by your nose and line it. And with the thick part of this comb, try to brush it. I have a brush, but I just forgot to bring it over here, so we're just gonna use this. When you water it a lot, really like soak your hair up, it really makes the sleekiness part pretty easy. Kind of don't want my line to be that much. We are going to gel it up. Of course, I usually use Got2b glue, but I don't have it right now. We're just gonna use Eco Styler gel. So you do that, then you take a bristle brush. I like this one two-sided. Sorry, I have like a product on it that I didn't really wash. So we're just not gonna use that part because it's gonna flake on your hair. Or you could be smart, or just like damp it, then it won't flake on. I'm probably not gonna use this one because there's too much flake on it. So from the other side, see just a little bit of products from last time. Okay, this is getting too flaky, so it's gonna go away, so you don't have to worry about like when you see flakiness. So we're just gonna use another one. It's probably gonna flake too. It's okay. Do this, see, I have like a little bump now. It's not too flat in the back for me. So tie it up. Never let go of the hair that you're holding. So you can still keep the tightness. Still holding on to it, and we're gonna do a second round. Okay. Do a double one. Okay, this time you can let go, kind of work both hands. Third. I'm scared. Okay, it's okay. You can gonna do a third round, but carefully. Oh, this is a workout. So it's in, we're good, it didn't break. I brought a mirror that could be easy for me. This, my edge brush, is what I'm gonna use. So everyone's shape of head, like the front line, is different. So you just do however is comfortable for you, and the way you style is definitely different. So I've had this scarf for like ever. Literally there's like holes on it, but it still does me justice. I'll be back. Just gonna fluff it. Use bobby pins. And just play around with it just a little bit. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. So you know what to do, you know, like this video, of course subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you guys would want to watch me do.